Students, we are on paragraph number 9. In this paragraph, writer tells us that Prophet Muhammad faced all the challenges came on the way of preaching Islam with dignity, courage and grace. Soon, Arab came out of the bouge of ignorance due to the continuous struggle of Holy Prophet Muhammad Under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad Muslims soon spread all over the world and started a new era of humanity. Students, in paragraph number 9, writers also refers towards another writer, that is Michael Hurt. Michael Hurt is a famous American historian and the writer of best-selling book The 100, a ranking of most influential people on earth. It is no surprise for us being Muslim that our Holy Prophet lead that list. Despite of being a Christian writer, he placed Prophet Muhammad on the top of that list just because of his leadership qualities on both religious and secular levels. So students, this was all in this paragraph. I hope you understand it very well.